start over, I think.
Okay,
Only
ma'am.
join people.
Thank you.
All are doing e-circuit.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am, what do we have
What
to
are?
do?
Just assemble components first. I will tell later.
Ma'am, which circuit?
All the circuits, you have to find the load current, you have to find the open circuit voltage. First two circuits you try. Third circuit I will tell. This circuit you try. Okay, in this circuit you have to connect, find the current through this 1K, and here you have to find out VOC.
Ma'am, from where can we get this PPT?
This is not a PPT. This is given already. This is uploaded already in your GCR. This is a manual copy only, na. Entire lab record I have uploaded, no, in GCR. Sawmill.
Yes, ma'am.
You already finished verification of KCL from that only, na.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
All
I
are
was
trying to
confused.
assemble components, huh?
Ma'am, I was confused. Which document? Now I know.
No, same document. It has all the experiments together. No, I am separating of second experiment alone.
Ma'am, we have to build circuit of Thevenin's theorem, na?
Yes, Thevenin's, Norton's maximum power you will be verifying in this class.
Okay, ma'am. So we'll build the circuit which is mentioned as circuit 1 to find load current.
Yes, load current. The current through 1K you will be finding it out. You know
Okay,
what
ma'am.
to do,
Only
no?
that circuit is to be built now or below that also.
Second circuit also voltage across the open circuit terminals you have to
So
find.
in one part only we'll build or we'll open two tabs for it.
Anyway, you can do. I think you can assemble all the three in the same
Okay, ma'am.
circuit model also. I
Okay.
think so.
Okay.
Ma'am, in my laptop, the resistance is showing in the form of box. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Rishi.
Ma'am, in my laptop, the resistance is showing in the box.
It's
The
okay.
bit is
It's
showing the
also
box.
same only. It's not a problem. Ritika, Ritika Suganandan.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you miss earlier classes? How many classes you were absent?
Ma'am, what?
So many classes you were absent. Why? What's the reason?
No, ma'am. I was present for all the classes.
No, you were present, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
maybe my mistake. Okay, sorry if I have been wrong. Jai Krishna. See, why you are always going up in the middle of the class? Always. Only for 5 or 10 minutes you are remaining in classroom. Here afterwards, if you are leaving like that, then I will not give attendance, Jai Krishna. Listen to what I said.
Ma'am, we have to add Amita also.
You have to. What
And
did you?
Amita also.
Ammeter
Ma'am,
is not ammeter is not necessary actually. If you want, means you can connect. Without ammeter also you can calculate what is the current. It will show, no?
Yes.
So only 41 people joined. Anyway, we'll start the class. Okay, now listen to me, people. Okay, please listen to me. I will give you a small theory. Okay, introduction part. After which you can try it out. I will also try it out along with you. Okay, all are listening to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this
Yes,
experiment is your second experiment. The title of the experiment is you are going to verify Thevenin's Norton's three theorems. You are going to verify Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, and maximum power transfer theorem. You have to verify. You will be given one particular circuit. You will follow up the procedure, and you will be verifying it both simulation wise and by writing manual calculation. So as usual, you have to write your name. You have to write your name, your register number, and today's date. Okay, today's date is October 8, 2018. You have to do all those things. These parts I will mark, I will grade. Okay. Then you have to fill the blank columns. You have to refer Google and you have to write the answers for all the statements, whatever is given, both pre-lab and post-lab. You have to fill it. Okay. All right. For which I will give marks. Then comes your aim. Okay, there are three theorems that you are supposed to verify. What are the three theorems that you are supposed to verify? First one is A part.
Thevenin's
That means you
theorem,
have to verify Thevenin's theorem.
then
Okay,
Norton's.
a circuit is being given for you. I have already shown you. Okay, this is your circuit that is given. Always, I think last class I told you, if you want to verify Thevenin's theorem, first thing is you have to find out VOC. Okay, suppose if this is the terminal across which I want to determine current or voltage, then that terminal I have to open. Okay, as shown in the second diagram, I have opened that terminal and I have eliminated this 1K. It was having 1K that I have removed and I have opened it. Okay. Then if I am able to find out the voltage across this 330, okay, the same voltage you will be getting is VOC is equal to VThevenin. So for that you can apply KVL here, okay, and find out what is the current and use that current, multiply it with 330, you will be getting VOC is equal to VThevenin. That is how you will be finding out VOC VThevenin. Next thing is you need to find out RThevenin. So if you want to find out RThevenin, last class I told you how to kill the sources. Okay, kill the sources. First thing you have found out VThevenin, that is open circuit voltage. Next thing is you need to find out Thevenin's resistance. For that you need to kill the sources. Kill the sources means if there are voltage sources means you will be shorting. Okay, you will be short circuiting. If there are current sources means you will be opening. That is the meaning of killing sources. Okay, so what do you mean by killing sources?
Opening.
Short circuit.
Voltage source means you will short. Okay, current source
Like
means you will be
opening.
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 Okay, for this problem you are having current source. What are the various sources that are
No,
present here in the problem?
Current source.
Only
current
this
source,
source is present, that is voltage source. So
voltage
you will
source.
be shorting it.
Voltage.
Okay, you will be shorting it and there are no other sources here. Okay, so no current sources, so no possibility of opening anything. So just I have shorted as you can see here. Then I will be calculating RThevenin by looking back into the terminal. So these two will be connected in what manner? If I do the current flow,
Ma'am,
these two are
parallel.
connected in parallel and that will be
Parallel.
connected in series combination. So that way you will be finding out 330 into 330, 330 plus 330 plus 330, that will be giving you RThevenin value. So you have found out VThevenin You have found out R-Thevenin. These are the two things that you have to find. Then finally you will be drawing the equivalent, Thevenin's equivalent. Okay, about Thevenin's equivalent I have already taught you in class. Thevenin's equivalent means you will be having a voltage source in series with one R-Thevenin. This will be open circuit voltage or VThevenin. These are the AB terminal across which you are having the 1K connected. So this is called as my Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay, I want to find out IL, that is current flowing through this 1K. So for that a formula is present, VOC divided by R Thevenin plus RL. Using that you will be finding out the current flowing through that 1K. Manually you can do this way calculation. Simulation wise you have to satisfy matching of VThevenin, RThevenin and IL. Okay, whatever values you are getting simulation wise, those should match with the manual calculations that I have taught you how to do. Understood what you are supposed to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
All of
what is
you?
that RF?
Yes.
What is that?
Yes, ma'am.
R Thevenin, Thevenin's resistance. Thevenin's
Ma'am,
impedance I taught you in class.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you showed one formula right now in which was R Thevenin plus R something.
See, I want to find out the current IL here. This is my load resistance. So the formula for finding out IL is, you know what is VOC divided by R Thevenin plus RL. My Ohm's law only.
RL, okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
RL
how
is
to
this
find
1K.
VThevenin?
VThevenin I told you now. Between this terminal only that 1K is connected. Through this
Yes,
only
ma'am.
IL is asked. So you have to open the terminal. Opened, no. Here they have not connected 1K. 1K is not connected. They opened
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Then you have to find out the voltage by opening. Whatever may be the voltage that is appearing across this 330, same voltage will be VThevenin. So for that you have to write KVL here and find out what is I. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
I you multiply with 330. That will be giving you
Yes,
VThevenin or
ma'am.
VOC. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, now you can proceed this in simulation. Plus, I will tell you Norton's theorem also. This is Norton's theorem, second subdivision. Here also one circuit is given. The same circuit is given here. So R Thevenin, same value you can put it. Okay. Now, but in this case, you have to short. Okay, you have to short these terminals. This is the terminal, no? AB. Now you need to short it, and after shorting you have to find out the short circuit current. Okay, after shorting it you need to find out the short circuit current. For that purpose only they have connected one ammeter here. Okay, then as usual you have to kill the sources. What is killing of sources meaning? Killing of sources.
Open them.
Always don't tell open. Depending upon the sources only you have to open or short. So if it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
voltage source means what will you do?
Short.
Voltage source means you short. Current source means you
Open
have
them.
to open. Like that you have to tell. Simply don't tell open, short. Depending upon the sources only you have to short or open. Okay. Then you kill the source. Again there was one voltage source here that is shorted, and same value of R Thevenin you will be getting like in the previous case. Okay. Now next thing is you need to find out the Norton's equivalent. Norton's equivalent means you will be having one current source now in parallel with that R Thevenin. This is your RL. This is your ISC. So what is ISC? VOC means open circuit voltage. What is ISC?
Current short.
SC means
Short
short
current.
circuit. OC means open circuit. Remember this concept.
Short
OC
circuit
means open
current.
circuit. SC means short circuit current. So this is
Circuit.
short circuit current. This one is R Thevenin means what? Thevenin's resistance. Both will be connected in parallel. And this circuit is called as what circuit? Norton's
Norton.
equivalent
Norton's
circuit.
equivalent.
Okay. Here also I will be calculating IL. There must be some formula given. Let me check up the formula. Right, in the tabular column, you have to match simulation results, you have to indicate here, and theoretical results by manual calculation. By writing model calculations, you will find out ISC, same ISC and R-Thevenin. You have to match all those values. That's all. That is Norton's theorem. Next, last theorem is your maximum power transfer theorem. That is the last theorem that will verify maximum transfer theorem. For that, again, one circuit will be given. The circuits, okay, circuit. Again, same way you need to find out the V Thevenin. You are finding out R Thevenin. And then you are finding out with Thevenin's equivalent. Okay, but here the condition is the power, if you are tabulating it, that will be maximum only when RL is equal to R Thevenin. Okay, that is why it is called as maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, you will vary this RL. RL you will be varying. In the circuit, you are having this RL, no? This load resistance. In reality, you will be using a decayed resistance box. You will fix it at different values and you will be observing what is voltage and current through the with the help of the voltmeter and ammeter. But you are not going to do it in real time. So you will do all these things simulation. So you will be there is a variation symbol that is given. You will fix it at some values. Okay, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. You will keep it. And every time you will measure what is the voltage and what is the current and you will tabulate it. Okay, here you will tabulate it. Every time you are varying 200, 300, 400, 500, you will tabulate what is I, V, and you will calculate power by using VI formula. At some particular value of R Thevenin is equal to RL, you will be getting P max, maximum value. You can observe the graph here. At this point only R Thevenin is equal to RL. You are getting maximum value. This graph you have to draw in the next page. There is a graph here that is given. Here you have to draw the graph. Okay, that's all. 3 theorems you are going to verify both by doing simulation as well as by doing manual calculation, and the value should match. Okay, now there is no time. All can do it. For those who are not present in earlier classes, I am telling you how to do, how to proceed. Okay. I will quit presenting via this device and will switch on to the other device. Those who already understood can proceed. Okay. Those who did not understand, those who are latecomers, for their sake, I am telling you again how to proceed with e-circuit tool. Okay. How many of you did not understand e-circuit tool yet? Come on, tell me, who are not able to understand e-circuit?
Ma'am,
How
I
to proceed?
haven't.
Me, ma'am.
Mahesh,
My
Sai Gopal, then
Miles.
Agarwal also.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I also, ma'am, I also.
Okay. See, I am presenting in another screen. I think you are able to see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am going to Google. Okay, I am going to just Google, type Google. Type Google. Okay, in that Google box, I will put e-circuit SRM. E-circuit SRM I will put. Okay, and I will go to this first circuit or any circuit, e-circuit portal I will go. Otherwise, directly you can fix in HTTPS and not this one, I think so. Okay. Care.slmist.edu.in you go. Okay. And this page will open. All are able to get this page. Are you doing it on your own?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in this E tool is there no option like I am doing E tool. All are able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Under that E circuit you pick. Okay, E circuit you pick. Then you can pick whatever near Rama Brahmani, but sample you click. Okay, anywhere. Sample E circuit you click. It's easy only. Sample. Now one page will open. This is a default circuit, but I want a blank circuit. So on the top, you are able to see file, edit, draw, scopes, options, circuits.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then under that circuits, you click blank circuit. Okay. Under circuits, you have to click blank circuit. Are you able to get it?
Yes,
Circuit
ma'am.
and blank circuit.
Yes, ma'am.
Click one blank circuit. Okay. If you want means you can change the screen. If I don't want to have a black screen means I can change the screen also. I think that is also possible.
Oh, ma'am, it's okay.
White background I can have.
Okay.
Okay. Then I have to pick and place components. For that draw. Okay, all are able to see draw.
Yes, ma'am.
And I have to pick the
Yes, ma'am.
components. What are the components? You tell me that are involved.
Wire,
Resistance,
resistor.
wire, battery,
Resistors,
two,
voltage.
two terminal battery.
What are the values you have to tell me? Otherwise, how will I know?
330 ohm resistor and 1K ohm resistor.
Wait, let me open the document. Wait. All can add components. Those who came late, now you are able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'm having one RPS. Okay, so I'm adding one source. Okay, inputs and sources is there, no? From input and sources, I will add voltage source to terminal. Okay, I will add one voltage source to terminal and I will reverse. One is not wanted, so I will draw inputs and sources, add voltage. Okay, like this, and I will give escape. Okay, then I need three resistances, so I will add resistor, three number, like this. I'll add one more. I'm assuming all are proceeding on your own. All are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
to add wire to connect. Okay, and
Ma'am,
I'm adding
last
wire.
class, ma'am, in the last class I was sick, so I don't understand how to do the Thevenin voltage.
Now you are seeing it again, no? Same way how to proceed. I'm teaching again, no, now for all the other sake. Then what is your problem?
Ma'am, I did not understand that practical value and theoretical value what we have to put.
Practical value I will tell you. Okay, after I tell, still if you're not able to understand, you ask me. Okay, now adding wire alone, you take care. Don't correct it by mistake. Okay. All right. Red color, if you are getting means you will node to node you connect. Okay. Otherwise, if it is going wrong means it will tell wrong connection is there and it will not show result. I think it will show dot only. Let me check. I think one connection, bad connection it is showing. Are you able to see here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is because of this connection, I think so. So I will delete it. I'll connect node to node. Okay, now you can see in yellow color dot lines are running all over, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
it is not indicating bad connection. If that is okay, means current flow is good. Okay, you have connected all the nodes in a proper way. Okay. Now the
Okay.
next thing is I need to give the values. So what value want me to fix the battery? One value tell me, 10 or 5 or 15. What value shall we
Five.
fix?
Five.
5, huh?
5.
5 is too easy. Okay, want
10,
me to
ma'am.
fix 5?
10, 10.
Otherwise,
Ten.
10.
Let's
5 or
fix
10.
20.
10, ma'am.
10, ma'am.
20 will fix. 10, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
20 I will fix. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so last class I have fixed 25 and all. So today's class I will fix 20. Now this value of resistance, I will fix it as 330.
330.
See, this is how we'll edit the values. Don't keep it as default value. So join let. You double click or left click, you will be able to edit the values. Okay. Just edit the value. Last resistance is 1K, so I am letting it default. Okay, so I have finished the circuit combination. Now what do I need to find? First circuit, I need to find the current through what resistance?
1K resistor.
1K. Okay, so I will left click and I will view in scope. Okay, view in scope if I give means all the values are displaying at the bottom corner, you can see, isn't it? The
Yes, ma'am.
resistor value that I am considering is 1K. What is the current and what is the voltage that is showing you?
6.969 milliampere.
6.69 milliampere and
6.69.
voltage across 1K is 6.69 volt. So that
0.69.
IL value is how much now?
6.9.
6.69. You make a note. IL is 6.69. For what voltage you have set up?
20 volt.
20 volt. Okay, 20 volt.
120 volt.
The IL value is 6.69. So first circuit is over. Second circuit is I need to find out the open circuit voltage. Okay. Same circuit I will copy. Okay. Alright. Somewhere here I have to. Okay. So I will open this, or otherwise if it is clumsy means you open a new blank circuit, okay, and then in that you copy, okay. Better I will control Z and I will open a new circuit. This you copy ma, okay. These
Okay.
values are there, no, you print screen and open a new document,
Ma'am, what is the input voltage over here? 20 volt.
20 volt I have given.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want means you can edit. Okay. So this you print screen with all the values on the bottom corner, whatever values are there, you print screen and open a Word document, new one. I am opening a new one. All are able to see the document that I am showing. I am opening a new document.
Yes, ma'am.
Or otherwise here itself you give enter, one blank page will open. Okay. Here I will plus control V.
Ma'am, can we
Okay.
take all the 4 circuits on one page?
I think it's not possible. Okay, it's if it's possible means you do. There is no scroll button. I am not able to see. So better use a new see. These values that I am circling, that value should be there. Okay. So 6.69 you have to verify it manually, like I have taught you. I will proceed to the another circuit, second circuit.
Yes, ma'am, that 4 values should be displayed, na?
Yes, yes. Now I will open another circuit. And I will control V. Okay, now I have to open what terminal? Same setup, but I have to find out the open circuit voltage. So what should I have to do? I have found out IL. Next thing is I need to find out VOC and R-Thevenin. So what do I need to do? Just now in theory I have explained, no?
Ma'am, we have to open
This 1K
one
I will
case.
open.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will first stop the simulation. Then I will open it. Okay. Open it. Then I will connect one. See, in case if you are not answering, please mute your mic. I am able to hear background noise coming from your parents or sister or brother. Okay, now I will add outputs. One voltmeter I will add here. You know how to add?
Ma'am.
Like this you will add.
Okay.
Let me see. Okay, what is the value? Okay, across this you connect one voltmeter. Okay, and then you will scope. Okay. You connect a voltmeter, but it's showing 0. Okay, I think 10 volt is the value.
Ma'am,
What
what
will
should
be
be
I
the
here?
value in voltmeter?
I do not know the actual value. Maybe it's 10 volt only. I think so. All are getting 10 volt. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
I think I did it wrong here because this is open. No, that's why current is not flowing here. Only voltage will be there. Okay, open means only voltage will be there. I think it's 10 volt. Okay, let me check whether this voltage is 10 volt means it will be correct. Okay,
Yes, ma'am, it
so you
is
can
correct.
see here. This is 330. So what is the voltage that I am having here?
10 volt.
Current is 30.3 milliampere. VD is 10 volt. Same voltage will appear here also. Okay, so
Okay.
10 volt. It's correct only. So this is a second circuit that you have to copy. So file or edit, copy the circuits. Again in the Word document. Okay, I will copy. Alright. Okay, second value I have copied with the 10 volt. Okay, 10 volt. This is not 10 volt. Here you have to fix the voltage. Sorry. This is not the copied one. Let's see. Edit. Center circuit. Edit. Copy. Okay. So this is also same circuit I am getting. I don't know how.
Ma'am, ma'am,
What?
here my lower potential is not 0. It is some in PV, but the higher potential is same as that of 330.
It's okay. I have connected wrong. I think voltmeter, but I think two voltmeters I have connected.
For me, voltmeter showing only 10 only, ma'am.
Ma'am, your
Correct
voice is
only. I have
not.
connected an extra. I think so. Okay, I
Ma'am,
will
your
remove
voice
it.
is not audible.
Yeah, okay.
My voice is quite audible only. Others are able to reply me.
Ma'am, and in my
Okay.
circuit, the yellow dots are displayed over here also, where
Then how come?
330. Oh. Ma'am,
Open
in the
means current will not flow. Only voltage will be there.
yes, ma'am, I have
Okay.
connected only output voltmeter. Then
Because
also
there
the
is a voltmeter, it is showing. I think so. You are
yes, ma'am.
connecting it by voltmeter. That's why it's showing. I think conventional current. Okay.
So, ma'am, what we have to connect then over there?
Correct only. Anyway you can do. No problem.
Okay.
You are getting 10 volt now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have
Yes, ma'am. 10 volt is coming.
entered add voltmeter or scope probe. That option I had selected.
Okay, so 10 volt you have to display. I think my circuit is not copying. So anyways, if it's possible for you to copy the circuit, you have to copy. So with
Okay, ma'am.
this VD being indicated as voltmeter 10 volt, you have to copy, but the circuit is not copying. I will give Control C again. Okay, so I will paste it. Okay. Same circuit is pasted, but you copy and paste. Okay. For me, some problem. It's not getting copied,
Ma'am,
but you have to copy and paste. Huh?
ma'am,
Tell.
only higher potential should be same, na, to that of 330 volts. Sorry, 330 ohm.
What do you mean by higher potential and lower potential? I am talking
Ma'am,
about VAB. So that is the potential difference between A and B terminal. It's not higher potential and lower potential. Na?
ma'am, here we
Anyway,
have to take only
10
one
minus
voltmeter.
0 will be 10 only it will be giving. How come there will be lower potential? Lower potential is always 0. The reference node is at the bottom for 330 also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, then we
Then
have to
V
connect
Thevenin.
only one voltmeter over here.
Yes, one voltmeter. One VOC only you need. Now, how many voltmeters you want me to
Yes,
connect?
ma'am.
Okay, so this finishes our second circuit. Anybody else is having any doubt regarding this up to this?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, when I copy and paste it copies some link and not this circuit. When I
Otherwise, you press the print screen. Okay, press print screen. I think there is a problem in copying and pasting. Otherwise, you press the print screen and Control V you give. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
you understood?
How to
Print
get
screen
that
you give. How to
view
get what?
scope values, madam? View scope values down.
Here it is already visible. Left click, you will be seeing view in scope. No,
Yes, ma'am.
that if you click means it will come underneath. Okay.
Okay.
All the others understood how to proceed. Shall we move on to the next circuit, R-Thevenin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let me see whether there is any measurement of resistance is possible. I'll check. Okay, if it is possible means you can connect one any meter for connecting measuring resistance. Okay. I think there is no resistance measurement device there. I'll see how we draw something.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
We have to find only the for Thevenin's resistance. We have resistance. We have to find the effective resistance of the three.
Yes, from looking back, okay, by looking back from AB terminal after shorting the voltage sources and after opening the current sources, you have to measure resistance.
Can we just do that manually, like normal, how we do effective resistance?
Yeah, that way only in practical cases we do, okay. If it's possible means you can connect any device that measures resistance at the output side, then you can check it. No, for that purpose only I'm trying, but it's not there, I think so. So better do manual calculation only, I think so. That is enough. What does it do?
Ma'am, in the third circuit, how we have to, what we have to connect where it is represented R Thevenin?
I think you need not do anything. Only manual calculations enough. I think so.
Okay, ma'am. And we have to also construct the Thevenin's equivalent circuit.
Thevenin's equivalent circuit, last circuit, if you want to means you do, but it's not necessary. Only VOC and AL you find, that is enough. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
two circuits.
Ma'am, and are you having any PPT of this lesson? Ma'am, will you please post
Lab,
in GCR?
lab,
No,
lab. I
ma'am.
have no
Ma'am,
PPT.
theory one, so that we can revise all the concepts and terms in it.
Yes, ma'am.
Theory I will give, but only minimal problems are solved in that PPT. That's why I'm not. Still, the
Ma'am, no
unit is
problem.
also
We
not
want only
over.
theory. Okay, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can we now proceed to manual calculations?
Yes, you have to try that Norton's theorem also. I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
Norton's theorem also same circuit, but instead of VThevenin, you have to connect an ammeter and you have to find out ISC. One more circuit. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Other things are always the same. There also you will be finding out IL, but instead of opening, you will be shorting the output terminal and you will be finding out short circuit current. Okay.
Ma'am, we should not press this circuit, ma'am.
You should not.
Press the circuit in Word document, ma'am.
You should paste. Why? Why you should not paste?
Sir, ma'am, first two circuit, that last circuit you have to do now, ma'am.
You are Tamil boy only now.
ஆமாம் மேம்.
என்ன கேக்குறீங்க எனக்கு புரியல.
இப்போ வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெண்டு சர்க்யூட்டை பேஸ் பண்ணி இப்போ மூணு சர்க்யூட்டும் பண்ணோம். இப்போ எதோ சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தீங்க
மூணு first see one circuit you are using how to find out the current through 1K. That circuit you have to paste. Okay. Second circuit you are finding out VOC, that is Thevenin's voltage you are finding out. That circuit you have to paste. That one. And next thing you go to Norton's theorem. Norton's theorem also first circuit is same circuit, no? Same values, same IL current you are finding out. So in Norton's theorem, you have to do second circuit alone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Norton's theorem, all are listening, all are able to understand what I am trying to tell you. People, if you are having any doubts, you ask me. Okay. So far, for Thevenin's theorem, two circuits you have to paste. One is the load current through 1K, how you are finding it, that circuit. Second circuit is you are finding out VOC, no, that circuit you have to paste. Next, jump to Norton's theorem. Norton's theorem also first circuit is similar to the Thevenin, so let it go. Okay, already you have found the value. And Norton's theorem, there is a second circuit, na? All are referring to the manual. That second circuit only you have to try.
Okay.
Okay, that we will try now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I am copying or I am drawing. You can save the file also, I think so. Okay. Again, I will draw on blank circuits. I will drag. This is for Norton's theorem, short circuit current I am doing. Okay. There was one resistance 1K that I will short. I will remove it, that resistance. This resistance I will remove and I will short those two terminals, that's all. And I will find out the current. So I will add one ammeter if possible. To find out the short circuit current, I will find out ammeter. And I will connect everything by wire. Okay. Now also you are able to see now the current flow in small yellow color lines. Are you able to visualize?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the current that is shown by
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ammeter? You have to edit the values. Okay. That I have
Okay.
not did. You have to edit the values also. So again I will set up to 20 volt here. Whatever values you are using in simulation, for that values only how to do manual calculation. Okay. Don't do it for other values. 330. 330. So now I have changed the values. Now what is my short circuit current that is indicated by the meter?
20
20.2
point.
milliampere. Okay, manually if you are doing calculation, the same value you have to get for 20 volt RPS. Okay, 20.2 milliampere. That value you have to again copy and paste. Okay, again you click print screen and you copy three circuits. Okay, again you copy.
Um,
Okay, this circuit also.
voltage or me?
Voltage is not needed. Short circuit current only you are finding out for Norton's theorem, no?
Okay.
That's all. Okay, Norton's theorem also over. Finally, maximum power transfer theorem you have to do. For that you have to calculate V Thevenin, R Thevenin, and you have to tabulate some values from the first circuit. Have you understood up to this verification of Thevenin's and verification of Norton's simulation?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
of
ma'am.
you? In case if you are not able to
Ma'am,
understand, you tell me what.
I mean the Thevenin's one, we have to put the voltage RPS as 2 volt only, no?
It's not necessary. Whichever value, it's your own wish only. If you want to put 25 volt, you put. If you want to put 50 volt, you put. But for that value only, you have to do manual calculation. That's all I want from your side. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If you want to put 2 volt means you put. Okay, whichever value. But for that value only, how to do manual calculation. Anybody else has any doubts? Those joined late, now it's it okay for you? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And then
Yes, ma'am.
Mahesh also,
Yes, ma'am.
Mahesh, Omrati, Tanishk,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will be able to understand.
Omrati.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you are now okay with the understanding each circuit I am hoping? It's easy
Yes,
only.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now shall we try maximum power transfer theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Third part of the experiment will try maximum power transfer theorem. So you also refer to the manual to see where you are going to verify maximum power transfer theorem. How many circuits are there? Circuit number 1, where you will be varying the value of load resistance and you will be noting down the voltage across it and ammeter. That is a current. Okay, via which you will be calculating the power. Second circuit you will be calculating V Thevenin. Third circuit you will be calculating R Thevenin. So here first two circuits you are going to try in simulation. Okay, understood? What you are going to do? Shall I proceed to
Yes,
drawing
ma'am.
the circuit? Now maximum power transfer theorem I am going to try. Okay. Now same 20 volt I am keeping. Here I am having 1K. I have to edit the value 1K again. One K. And this is also 1K. This is also 1K. One more 1K is also necessary. So one more 1K I will add. lagging. Adding wire, I'm connecting. Okay, one more 1K is necessary. Variable resistor, if it's available, you check. Variable resistor is available. Check all the components, and if there is any variable resistance, you tell me. I think there is no variable resistance also.
Ma'am, in
Hmm.
in this circuit, is the rheostat there?
That's what I'm checking if there is any variable resistors. I think there
Okay,
is no
ma'am.
variable resistor. Add potentiometer I can tie. Let me check. Add potentiometer I'm giving. That is also a variable resistance. Let me check out whether it is
Yes, ma'am.
varying or not. Slider only. Okay, 1K it's showing. So up to 1K I can do variation. Okay. Again I'm using wire to connect. But here I have to include one ammeter. Let me do that. It's a potentiometer. Okay. Potentiometer I'm trying to include the variability in resistance. Okay. Now I will add on ammeter. Here I'm adding on ammeter. Okay. I'm connecting it wire. If you want means you connect voltmeter, no problem. That's all. My circuit is over. Okay. Again, you can check out the current flow is smooth, so there is no bad connection. So this one I can vary. I can. Only 500 ohm it's showing it because in the middle. Okay. I can slider only no. It should be able to vary.
Slider from the right side panel. Right. Scroll bar.
Okay, okay. Here no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can check it. You can see how it varies no. If I am varying the slider. Yes or no, all are able to observe.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
voltage across it is you in the tabular column you have to know write it down. When R1 is equal to minimum value is 273, maximum value R2, R1 here they are giving, but okay, VD is 2.5, the current is 2.5 milliampere. Okay. Uh, then still if I am varying, I can get variable values. Always the voltage is 2.5 only it's showing.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of IL?
IL. What IL?
They have given, we have to find IL in circuit 1.
Load current through.
That is load current through the load resistance. What load resistance is connected? 1 kilo ohm is connected, no?
Yes, ma'am.
The current through it.
Ma'am, so there is R Thevenin and a 1K resistance in series. So which one current is same through both? So you have to find that current only.
Tell it again.
Ma'am, through R Thevenin and 1K, they are in series. So we have to find that current which is going through the circuit.
What current, what circuit are you talking about? You mentioned the circuit number. Which theorem are you talking about first?
Circuit 1,
Which theorem?
Thevenin theorem.
Thevenin's theorem, first circuit, you are finding out the load current through 1K. Okay, for that formula wise, IL is equal to VOC divided by R Thevenin plus RL. So in order to find it out manually, you need to know what is open circuit voltage, what is Thevenin's resistance. What is the doubt again?
Ma'am, we have to do V divided by R Thevenin plus 1K, no?
Yes, that's a formula. Standard formula for calculating IL is that formula only.
Okay, ma'am.
See here, one problem if you are using potentiometer is no matter how much I vary, the voltage and the current is not varying.
Ma'am, if the lower line to the slider, then it will vary.
What? No,
We
it's
need to
remaining
connect.
2.5.
Ma'am, we need to connect the lower line to the slider instead of the else the complete resistance of the potentiometer will be taken.
Lower line of what? Tell again.
Ma'am, the lower line that is going towards the battery, that wire, we
Okay.
need to connect it to the slider.
This you have to connect it to slider. Okay.
Yes,
This you have
ma'am.
to connect it to the voltage source you are telling. Okay, that way also you can tell. But that way,
Ma'am, not voltage source.
hmm.
Disconnect
You are
the
telling me that
potentiometer
you
from
should
the load.
connect it to ground. Then how will you vary
No,
like
ma'am, not
this?
that.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am. We
I'm
have to connect
telling.
it to this wire. This
Ma'am,
one
may I
near.
present my screen for a second?
See, there
Yes,
are
ma'am.
actually three terminals for a potentiometer. One, two terminals you will connect, and the third terminal you will leave it free only. No.
In the lower terminal that you have connected, leave that one free and connect it to the slider terminal.
Yes, ma'am. He's
Slider
telling it
terminal you
right.
cannot connect. That way it will not work out.
Ma'am, we have to
Let me
connect
see.
that slider to the wire and free it from
Where
here.
that wire will go, you tell. That is wrong. Where that wire will go? Slider wire. Where do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want
We
me
have
to connect the
connected to
bottom
here.
terminal? You are telling me that you should connect here, like
Yes,
No,
that.
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, it is wrong. Hmm. No, that way you cannot do. Okay, that way also I will try. Wait. Okay. Now I will vary. Let me see what happens. Now it varies.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Now it is very.
Like this, you people connect. Okay.
I2 is constant.
No, I2 it will not go. This is minimum value. Minimum value is 24.8 ohm. You consider. The voltage is in 158.77 millivolt and I1 is 6.4. In terms of 100 you take 100, 200, 300, 400, but before that you need to calculate what is R Thevenin. So how to calculate R Thevenin? R Thevenin, what is the standard procedure for calculating R Thevenin? As usually, how to kill the sources. So killing sources means what will you do? Are you able to hear me or not? Are you able to hear me? This potentiometer you connect it as they have said. Okay.
Get the battery.
This one terminal you leave it free. The slider you connect it to the ground. Okay. All understood maximum power transfer theorem first circuit.
Madam,
You have to give me
where will
some
be the
answer.
potentiometer in draw, madam?
In draw, in passive components, add potentiometer. Okay.
Ma'am.
All right. See, and next circuit you have to find out open circuit voltage. Okay, so how will you do that? Then next one is R Thevenin you have to find out. As usual, you have to kill the sources. Voltage source means you have to do what, and current source means you have to do what. Come on, are you people able to hear me or not? Give me some answer. Here in this circuit, this is your first circuit, you have to vary the values, but before that you calculate R Thevenin manually. Okay, calculation means this voltage source that I am circling, you short it. Okay, and then from these terminals you calculate what is the Thevenin's resistance or equivalent resistance. Okay, this, and that value, depending upon that value you vary the resistance. Okay, every time you vary, note down what is the ammeter current and the voltmeter value, and you have to tabulate it, and power also you calculate it. Everything is visible here, I think so. Power, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
No, power is not coming. View in scope. Power also you can calculate, I think so. Let me see. Or otherwise you yourself multiply VD and I1 manually and calculate power. It's not showing label wise. You can multiply 1.48 and 4.2 milliampere. You can calculate power and you can do the tabular column. Fill it. Okay, next thing is you need to find out the open circuit voltage. Okay, you open all these terminals, 1 kilo ohm potentiometer and all, you open it, and across it you connect an voltmeter and find out what is open circuit voltage as usual. R Thevenin you can do manual calculation. Tell me what is R Thevenin? Anybody calculated for the circuit? What you people are doing? Silent from the other side.
In this circuit, we have to slide the resistance bar to how much value?
For that only you have to calculate R Thevenin. I think it will be 550 or something. So around that value, in terms of 100 hundreds you calculate. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
50 100. Keep it at 50. Calculate one value.
Oh.
Okay, 50 around you calculate one value. Then 100 you calculate one value. around 100. Then
Ma'am,
150 you
100 should be
calculate
the
one
value
value.
of R1 here.
R1, yes, R1 minimum value, no?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, then from 100 till 500, 100, 200, 300, like that till
Till
500.
1K, 1K you do.
Okay, 1K. Okay, ma'am.
Till 1K, okay. Keep it at 50, 100, 150, 200, or otherwise 100, 200, 300 you try. Okay, anyway.
Ma'am, then we have to take 4
100, 200, 300, 400 till 1K.
ma'am, then how to take the screenshot of this circuit?
595.
There one circuit alone, wherever you are getting maximum power, no, that circuit alone you paste it.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
for that you have to calculate RThevenin. Okay, I think it will be
Yes, ma'am.
coming around, let us see where it gets maximum power. 100. What is the value of power? 590.91 into 5.68 milliampere. What is the value? In calculator, 590 into 5.68.
And 3356.
Okay. So same. I will keep it at 200. How much is this value? That was in 1 into 4.98. 4.98 milli, I think so. Every time you calculate the power, somewhere it will become maximum. Whenever that RThevenin is equal to RL, at that value only. For that purpose only you are calculating that RThevenin. For 200, it's about 0.050298. After reaching the maximum power, again it will drop down. Okay, as per the curve model graph, you have to observe. So you can see the current is dropping down after that 550. Now, can you observe? Earlier, up to this, the current was 4.34 milliampere. Now, after I cross over 550 or something, it's dropping down, no, the current.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you should calculate the power. After that, it will drop down. Okay, 500. The power will come down after that. Okay, you can calculate and check.
I1 is
Okay,
dropping as you move from left to right.
yes. Okay, that you have to fill in the tabular column. Okay, in terms of 100 increment. Okay. All right. The next thing is you need to find out open circuit voltage as usual. This circuit you copy. Wherever you are getting maximum power, that circuit alone you copy and paste. Okay. Reset. And I am finding out that open circuit value. All these things I will remove and I want to find out open circuit voltage. RThevenin you have to calculate manually. Again I will add one voltmeter probe. think 4 volt is your Thevenin's voltage. Okay, this circuit also you copy. I think 4 volt only, it's your Thevenin's voltage. This circuit also you have to copy. Okay, and there is a formula that is given for calculating the maximum power. What is the formula that is given in the manual?
P is equal to VI.
Is there any formula given? There should be one formula. Okay, I'll tell. Okay. I think 4L or something. V Thevenin square divided by 4L or something. That formula is there. So in that you have to substitute the value of RL and V Thevenin. 4 divided by 4 square divided by 4 RL or something you will get. Okay, using that you will be calculating P max. There is a formula that I will discuss when I am sharing theory. It's not given in the manual. Okay. Okay, so far you understood or not? These are the things that you have to do in all these 3 theorems. Understood or not, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, others, in case if you are having any doubt, means you ask me. After that, we will close the lab class. There is a formula for finding out P max. I think it's V Thevenin square divided by 4L or something. Okay. That I will tell in class, next class. Okay, now what are the circuits that you have to copy? Thevenin's theorem, what circuits will you do and copy?
Can you repeat?
For simulation you have doubt or theory you have doubt?
No, ma'am. I said, can you repeat? Whatever
What do
you
you
just
want me to do?
just now
See,
you said
Thevenin's...
something that
No, Thevenin's circuit. Wait, I will switch on to presentation from my other device. Okay, you have no doubts in simulation, no?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we will go to the theory part again. Here I will stop presenting. Okay. Okay, all are able to see the manual?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, in Thevenin's theorem, 2 circuits you have to copy and paste. Okay. What are the circuits that you will do? This first circuit that you did, that you have to do. Okay, load it in live board. Wait. For this, I will set up again deadline of 1 week. Before that, you have to finish this lab also, lab experiment. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
till which date?
Ma'am, the first one I didn't complete yet.
Ma'am, till next class, ma'am.
Yes, before next class.
Ma'am, but
Okay, ma'am.
first experiment due date is over, na?
Due date is over, I think. Yes.
But I was not able to submit that.
You should submit.
I'll do it by today, ma'am.
Yes, do.
Ma'am, I
Because
had
now
one doubt.
first, wait, I will
I had,
load it. I will finish theory part. Wait.
ma'am, and in that theoretical and practical value, there is two options, two tables. In one in which it is written circuit one, and other one it is equivalent circuit. So, what value you have to put in equivalent circuit and circuit one?
Equivalent circuit is just a drawing of the final VOC in series with R Thevenin. Don't care about all those things.
Ma'am, so what do we have to put current value in the table?
See, you are calculating VOC, you are calculating R Thevenin, then you have to just draw the Thevenin's equivalent and then you have to draw. That is Thevenin's equivalent circuit, that's all. That will be enough. Substitute what is V Thevenin, R Thevenin in the final equivalent circuit, that's all. In next theory class, I will tell you how to solve problems based upon Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem. You can use that concept to do manual calculation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But simulation and all, you have to do these circuits and you have to finish. Only manual verification I will teach you in next class theory. When it comes to Thevenin's equivalent, two things you have to determine. One is what voltage and one is what VOC and R Thevenin you need to determine. Using those two only you will draw Thevenin's equivalent. Norton's theorem means you need to find out what is R Thevenin, you need to find out short circuit current. Then you will draw Norton's equivalent. That's all. Very easy only. Okay. Simulation wise, first circuit you have done. Okay. How to calculate IL flowing through this load resistance. RL is your load resistance. This circuit you have to paste. Okay, from simulation. Then next thing is you have finished this V Thevenin also. This circuit, these two circuits you have to paste from simulation. Okay. This R Thevenin calculation you have to do manual verification. Manual only. Understanding or not? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thevenin's theorem, you have to do these two by simulation E circuit, then you cut, copy, paste. This R Thevenin, you have to calculate it manually. Okay. Then final circuit, this circuit is called as your Thevenin's equivalent. Thevenin's equivalent means whatever VOC you got from the second circuit, that is your VOC or V Thevenin. That's the substitute what value you have got. You have got 10 volt. So you substitute what is 10 volt. And whatever value you have calculated by this R Thevenin by looking back, parallel and series equivalent, that you substituted as R Thevenin. And here you write RL is equal to 1K. Okay. Then there is a manual formula for calculating IL. As I told you, what is the formula? V Thevenin divided by
VOC
R
upon
Thevenin plus RL.
RL.
That's all. Okay, this finishes up your V Thevenin or Thevenin's theorem. Manual calculation I am telling you how to do. This circuit. How to calculate VOC manually. You opened this terminal. So whatever voltage you are having across this 330, the same voltage will be obtained as V Thevenin. Okay, so you need to find out what is the current here. Alright. So how will you find out current is by applying KVL here. Assuming current I, you will write KVL equation, you will find out what is I. That I will multiply with the 330, that voltage will be equivalent to VOC. Okay, that is manual way of calculation. That should be equivalent to 10 volt if you are keeping 20 volt here. Understood? How to calculate VOC?
Once repeat again.
What ma? Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. Please repeat it.
Once repeat again.
See, simulation easy. Okay, you got here IL is equal to some value.
No.
Simulation IL you got some value. Manually how to calculate I am telling you. VOC you got as 10 volt. Same value how to get it manually by doing derivation and formula. Okay. So the voltage VOC is equivalent to the voltage appearing across 330 ohm. Only resistance is known, but if you are able to find out what is the current flowing through it, you will be able to calculate what is VOC. For that purpose, this is open. Okay, this terminal will not come into effect. So you assume a current here, write KVL equation, find out what is I. Understood? Here you are having 20
Yes,
volt.
ma'am.
Okay, then if you are finding out I, then you can multiply that I value with the 330. That will be giving you VOC or VThevenin. That should be equivalent to 10 volt. That you got it simulation by simulation. Okay.
Yes,
Understood
ma'am.
how you have to verify VThevenin. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
VThevenin, okay. Then next, how to calculate RThevenin. RThevenin procedure is you have to kill all the sources. Okay. Suppose if it is voltage source means you have to do what?
Short circuit.
Shorted.
Short. Okay, short circuit. If it is current source in the problem, then you have to
Open
open.
it.
But for your problem, there is no current source. So what you will do is you are having a only voltage source here. You have to short it. Okay, that only they have did it here. Okay, shorting. Only short circuiting. Then from these terminals where you are supposed to calculate IL, you have to calculate RThevenin by looking back. So if you are assuming current division like this, these two are connected in parallel. So 330 parallel 330, that is in connected in series with 330. That will give you RThevenin. So this is how you will be manually calculating RThevenin. Understood how to calculate RThevenin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now whatever value you have got, here you have got 10 volt. That is your VThevenin value. Here RThevenin just now we have calculated, that you have to substitute. Okay, next thing is you need to find out IL current, and in order to calculate IL, what is the formula?
VOC upon RThevenin plus
VOC divided
RL.
by RThevenin plus RL. That answer should be the first circuit that you have pasted. Whatever answer you got, that answer should match with that IL. Okay, understood?
Okay, ma'am.
All of you understood? Now shall we proceed to Norton's theorem? Say yes or no from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, the value of IL should match with the value of 1K ohm, na?
Yes, first circuit you have simulated, no? I think what is the
Yes, ma'am.
current that you got? 5.29 milliampere something. That value should match. Okay.
Once again repeat RThevenin value, how to find that?
RThevenin, suppose if in the circuit you are having sources, here you are having voltage source. Voltage source means you will short it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is why this is shorted like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if you are having current source here, instead of voltage source, if you are having current source, then you have to open. This one you have to open. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then because this problem is not having any current source, I am
Voltage
shorting
source.
the voltage source. Then from this terminal, here only I need to find out what is IL. Okay, so from that terminal I have to look back and I have to find out what is equivalent resistance. That resistance is called as Thevenin's resistance, or okay, R Thevenin.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you are dividing the current, these two are in parallel. Okay, that will be connected in series with 330. That is how we will be calculating R Thevenin. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Then finally you need to substitute what is VOC and what is RThevenin here, and formula for IL is given standard, that is VOC divided by RThevenin plus RL. RL is this 1K. Okay, that finishes off manual calculation for your Thevenin's theorem. Okay, moving on to your Norton's theorem. RThevenin calculation same only, same value. Okay, IL also same value. I think IL, one more formula is there for calculating it. The only thing that you have to calculate it is ISC current. Okay, now for that, this you short it. Okay, this you short it, and you can use what law here to find out the current I2. I2 is equal to ISC, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how you can find I2? Simple. I
KCL.
want the current. I can apply KVL, write the mesh equation, a 2 cross 2
Okay.
matrix. So if I find I2 del 2 divided by del, that will be my what? ISC. This is
Yes, ma'am.
how to obtain short circuit current manually. Okay, that's all. That one alone is to be done for Nortons. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Ma'am, and here ISC is equal to I1, na? Sorry, I2.
I2, yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to draw the Norton's equivalent. Okay, Norton's equivalent means what? It is the inverse or dual of Thevenin's equivalent. Thevenin's equivalent means one voltage source in series with R Thevenin. That is Thevenin's. This is Thevenin's. Okay. But on the other hand, if you are drawing a current source in parallel with R Thevenin, then that circuit will be called as what?
Norton's equivalent circuit.
Norton's. Here it will be ISC. Understood? This circuit you have to draw finally. That's all. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to draw
Okay,
it
that's
manually or what?
manually, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And here also you need to find out IL. For that one more formula is there that I will tell you later. Okay. But this is how you will be finding out ISC. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And in order to find IL, how will you find out IL? ISC is you have to short this and you will be finding out I2. IL also you can find it by KVL. But in this case you have to include 1K. That's all. Okay. If you are including 1K, it will become IL. If you are not
Okay, ma'am.
including IL means it will become ISC. That's all. Okay. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Same way, you can write mesh equation here. We are finding I2 with 1K at the output side, that will be giving you IL. Okay, suppose if you are not including that IL, if you are eliminating that and you are connecting it, shorting it at the output side without 1K, if you are finding out I2, that will be ISC. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is how you will be doing manual calculation of ISC, IL and R Thevenin. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, next we'll what?
can you show the table once again? I wanted to ask you something. Before
Which
this page,
table?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In that
This
equivalent
table.
current, what do you have to put?
What is, ma'am, that
Equivalent circuit will
equivalent
leave.
circuit?
That's not necessary. One more circuit you will do practically. Practical also we will not do. Okay. Equivalent circuit only practical and theoretical values. Whatever you calculated for short circuit current, Thevenin's resistance, you write. That is enough. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
And
but
IL you put.
in RN, theoretical and practical values, we have to calculate manually, na, both also.
R Thevenin is same for Thevenin's and Norton's theorem.
Yes.
Only manual calculation you are doing. You are not doing any simulation circuits. No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That is
Ma'am, in
okay.
circuit one, we have to put that whatever we get in the equivalent circuit final, whatever we get the current is that only we have to put in circuit one, no? Along the
Circuit.
1K resistor, along the 1K
Yeah. Same value will be getting. So put same value. No problem. Okay.
Ma'am, but if we'll erase that equivalent circuit and only put values in circuit 1, then it will do?
Yeah, it will do. Okay, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Alright, next we'll move on to maximum power. Okay. For that, as I told you, here you are connecting on potentiometer, you are varying it. Every time you vary, you are noting down what is I and V, then you are calculating power. All those things you are tabulating it. And for calculating P max, theoretically, there is a formula, I think so. V Thevenin square divided by 4L. Okay, I think this is a formula. Okay. So V Thevenin you will find out here, or R Thevenin something. Okay. So in order to find out the P max, you need to know what is V Thevenin, you need to know R Thevenin. For that purpose only the second two circuits you are doing. Okay. Again, as usual, you want to find out VOC. So whatever may be the voltage appearing here, same voltage you will get as VOC. Okay. So you can write nodal equation or any way you want to solve by network reduction, you can do it and you can find out VOC. Understood?
Ma'am, will you please repeat the process for VOC?
VOC na, this voltage, that output terminal, here only I am finding out parameter that I will open. Okay, and I will redraw the circuit. Okay, now I want VOC here, so whatever may be the voltage here, same voltage will appear here. Okay, either you can write KCL equation, nodal equation you can write. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Or otherwise you can do network reduction. You know how to divide no network,
yes,
and
yes.
by current division you can find out VThevenin. Either way,
Okay,
any
ma'am.
way you can do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then as usual, RThevenin you have to kill. There was an voltage source, you have killed it, and you are finding out RThevenin from the backside terminal. Okay.
Yes,
Then you have to substitute those things in the formula for Pmax, VThevenin square divided by 4 RThevenin.
V square by R.
That will give you the maximum power that you are finding out from the tabular column. Okay, here you are giving one tabular column now. Suppose if you are varying from 1K, around 550 or something, you will get maximum power. Okay. Alright. That is
Okay.
whenever RThevenin becomes equal to RL. So when you are calculating Pmax, that value should also be approximately equivalent to Pmax. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Now shall we close the lab? What about the others? It's 3:30.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please share this recording in GCR.
GCR.
Okay, I will do it. But all the others have you understood? That is what I want to know from your side. Those
Yes,
who
ma'am.
joined
Yes,
late also
understood.
are able to grasp the
Yes,
concept.
ma'am.